Good morning Pilipinas! It's me again, Peng. It's day 21, last day of our 21-day vlogging challenge before my lap start at 4:30. Good morning! And yes! Day 21 na. No? Can't believe it, no? Na natapos natin to. It was, no, parang, sabi ko, try nga natin ng August, no? If I can commit, no, na gawin itong vlogging challenge na to. No? Last year, I tried this challenge, but 3 days lang yata yung nagawa natin. No? But today, dahil magko-40 na tayo, so I commit, no, um, to share with you, no, yung mga naiisip ko, no, every day, every morning, and I'm glad that I was able, no, to complete this challenge, no, and hopefully talaga, no, ma-improve ko pa yung ganitong pag-vlog ko. Tulungan niyo ako paano ko gagawin, no. I don't have any idea or yung ginagawa ng mga professional, no? Yung mga expert natin sa pag-vlog, no? But, parang excited ako to do that. Yung mga ginagawa nila, how they, cast the video, mga ganon. But, yun nga, no? I'm happy I was able to do this, no? And to share with you, no? A piece of me, no, every day for 21 days, no, and I'm glad na sinamahan niyo ako, nanood kayo, no, nung aking mini vlog, no, at ayun, so I just want to thank lang everyone, dahil sa bagong journey ko, no, sa bagong company ko, and sabi ko, this is new, a leap of faith, sabi ko nga, no, and marami tayong pwede ipagpasalamat. Now that I am, no, starting, no, a new career, not a new career, no, a new company, no, and 40 na tayo, no, and dami natin pagpasalamat, no. Looking back, no, bata pa tayo, ang dami lang talaga na dapat ipagpasalamat. May tatanong nyo, lumaki tayo sa Navotas. Okay tayo dati. Before, nung una, ang sarap sa feeling nung, kasi tatay ko no, construction worker. And my mom, no, nagtitinda ng banana, no, ng saging sa Divisoria. Naranasan ko sumama sa kanya. And siguro dun ko na nakuha yung compassion ko dun sa mga naglalako ng mga paninda nila, no. So ramdam ko yung sipag ng nanay ko during that time, and even si Papa doon nag-construction. I remember nag-lunch kami doon sa pinagtatrabahuan niya, no. Simpleng pamilya, and I'm happy, no, sila yung mga naging magulang ko, and I'm blessed, no, to have them as my parents. And siguro blessed na rin kami dahil dami namin pinagdaanan sa family, and kung siguro madami kami, no, baka hindi na namin kinaya. But blessed kami na dalawa lang kami ng kapatid ko. During that time na nag-aaral kami, no, okay naman, no, kasi pamilyang OFW tayo, both my parents nagtrabaho sa ibang bansa. But sobrang blessed tayo doon, grateful kasi talagang nakapagtrabaho sila. But syempre, as usual, yung mga pamilyang OFW, yung feeling mo, no, wala yung mga parents mo and all that. Yun, syempre, along the way, no, natutunan mo, no, na they're doing that, no, because sa mga anak nila, no, na katulad namin, no. But yun nga, no, kaya nga nagsisipag tayo ngayon na hindi na mag-ibang bansa kasi ramdam natin yung pagkukulang, no, na meron dati. But yes, no, we learn from that, no, and as a Filipino naman, resilient naman tayo when it comes to that. And happy din kasi na naranasan mo yung mga bagay na gano'n, no, so that it can be, no, matatag right now, no. Yun nga, no, for the 40 years, no, God is preparing me for something great. No, pinagdaanan natin yung though nawala ng trabaho tatay ko during that time, kaya blessed din talaga dahil nakakuha tayo ng scholarship, and my sister nakapag-aral din, no, sa State University, no. Sobrang grateful lang kasi alam mo yon, may mga challenges along the way, but God, no, binibigay ni God yung mga blessings, no, para makabangon ka ulit, no. Kaya nung nakatanggap tayo ng scholarship, syempre pinagbuti natin, no, nakatapos tayo ng pag-aaral and all that, no. Then another challenge, hindi tayo nakapasa, no, ng hindi tayo nakapasa ng board exam, but that's okay. That's okay. And ang promise ko naman sa magulang ko is makatapos lang sa pag-aaral, no. And alam mo yun, hindi ko naman sinisisi sa kanila na hindi ko nakuha yung gusto ko na course, but I'm happy kasi because of that, no, I was able to be part of a company, no, sa manufacturing. Siguro hindi ako engineer, no, engineering grad, hindi ako mapupunta sa SunPower, no. Yung SunPower, I'm so grateful, kahit 8,000 lang yung sahod ko doon kada buwan. Nakakalala ko ng mga tao na hanggang ngayon, no, friends ko pa din, and ang dami ko natutunan sa SunPower, no, mga quality tools, no. Doon ko nahiligan yung process improvement, yung kahalagahan ng quality, no. So, ayun, no, from there, no, nalipat tayo sa BPO, no, and dun sa BPO, natuto tayo ng lumaki yung sahod natin, and alam mo yun, natuto tayo ng maraming bagay, no, natuto tayo na though sa BPO, no, ang laki ng sahod mo, yeah, wala ka pa rin ipon. Yun ang naging yun yung natutunan ko, no, pinarana sa akin ni Lord talaga na sige, gumastos ka rin ng gumastos and all, and wala tayong naipon. May mga times na barya na lang yung pera mo, no? So parang mabalik ka pa rin doon, no? It's just a cycle, no? Nung bata ako, I remember kumakain na lang kami ng ng asin at mantika kasi wala talagang pagkain, and then may trabaho ka na ngayon. Then dati, diba, bata ka pa, pero nung may trabaho ka na, tapos gano'n na parang wala kang kinakain, God is teaching you something, no? Kaya nung napunta ako naman sa Food Life UK, no, sa insurance industry, I realized a lot of things about finances. And kailangan pala talaga mag-ipon. And I'm glad and God has put me there, no? Para matutunan ko yung mga bagay-bagay about finances, no? And then, yung, alam mo yun, na-unleash sa akin yung pagiging leader. Well, since elementary naman, no, leader na tayo. I've been a Supreme Student Council President ng elementary, nung college, nung high school, no. Tapos, nung college, nagpe-president tayo ng mga organ lahat, no, mga kandidato tayo sa student council, no. So, nandun na talaga yung leader in me, no. Hindi lang talaga ako siguro politiko at kumandidato ng pagiging kagawad or chairman ng barangay, no. But, yung pagiging leader talaga, yun talaga yung hinanap ko nung nagtatrabaho ako. Hindi yung binigay ng BPO, no. But, no, when I transferred to insurance industry, bukod sa natuto tayo ng mga about mga financial instruments, no, for you to have that financial freedom in the future. Natuto din tayo, no, ng pag-lead ng mga tao, lalo na mga sales agents, no. So, grateful ako sa mga natutunan ko along the way. Grateful ako sa mga challenges na pinaranas sa atin ni Lord. Kasi without those challenges, hindi ako magiging ganito. No? And I know I am a work in progress. And yung 40 na, di ba? That's, sabi nga nila, no? Life begins at 40. God already prepared me for all the things na mararanasan ko pa. 40 years more. 40 years or more. So, as I look back, no, 40 years. Right now, I am a branch manager. It's just only a dream, no, to become a branch manager. And I'm so grateful to Manulife, to Lay, Miss Bonifacio, who introduced me to RH Papi Vince, no, Pardo, and give me the chance, the opportunity to lead as a branch manager, as a branch head, leading leaders, no, under my wing, where I can be a blessing, a channel of blessing to a lot more people, no? And I'm grateful to God kasi He keeps on equipping me to become the best version of myself. And itutuloy ko lang, no? As God lead me onward, no, let me lead you onward. May it your financial freedom journey or your journey to success as an individual who wants to pursue his or her dreams, to make it a reality. No, I'm here. I am willing and wholeheartedly, no, will guide you to unlock your fullest potential. And lahat ng mga natutunan natin, no, with 40 years of my life, no, definitely, hopefully, I can be able to share with you, and impart with you the things that I have learned. And I'm happy, with all the accomplishments I have, naging valedictorian tayo, from siguro nung best in math natin nung kindergarten, 10th honorable ng grade school, valedictorian ng high school, scholar ng college, no, and all my achievements, nag-work din sa SunPower, Accenture, Convergys, then back to Accenture, then Light UK, I'm excited, with Manulife, my vision is to become the top 1 branch, with 400 high-performing, happy and successful life champions across the Philippines, where our mission is really to serve people, and give them the best tailor-fit products, insurance products that will help them, achieve their financial goals. And as we do it, we commit with our values, with humility, excellence, adaptability, resilience, and teamwork. That's ICE branch, guys. And I'm excited, dun sa journey na tatayo sa akin namin. And those are the goals. And I am glad God is leading us onward. And it's been a lot, I'm so happy that this is the end of our 21-day vlogging challenge, and I'm looking forward na matuloy ko pa to, yung ganito, kasi I'm beginning to, alam mo yun, to love this kind of sharing a piece of me, ano yung mga nasa thoughts ko, and I'm excited for everyone. Yung journey nyo, yan basta-basta. God is preparing you for something. If He prepared you, for this role, He will also prepare you for something great as well. Kaya kapit lang mga besh, keep pressing on, kasi walang imposible kay God, wala. And if siya yung unahin mo, kung nakafix yung eyes mo sa Kanya, no distractions, no works of evil will definitely, hinder you for achieving what you deserve. You deserve a life, happiness, success, because if alam ni Lord ano yung desire ng puso mo, kaya don't be afraid to dream and work for it, because nasa background lang si Lord, do the things that you need to do. In every decision, seek Him first. Make sure that all your decision will be honoring Him. Walang magiging imposible kay Lord kung sa Kanya tayo naka-foundation. Alright, so it's 21 days. Thank you for joining me, and see you everyone Or siguro, may another vlog pa tayo. But I love you all. And keep the faith. And have that faith that everything is possible in the Lord. Okay? Bye for now. It's me again saying, I am blessed, I am awesome, and winning. Bye for now. Love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.